Hello students, so let's try to solve one very nice problem from IIT JAM 2023, and this problem is from STR. Let me explain you this particular problem. So there is one frame, this frame is F0 and which is rest actually with respect to observer, and F1 is moving with respect to V1 with the speed V1 with respect to F0. So it is given that speed of 1 with respect to 0 is v1 and f2 is moving v2 with respect of f1. So velocity of 2 with respect to 1 is v2, and there is a particle which is moving. So suppose this particle is p, so the particle which is moving with respect to 2 is v3. So this will be v3, and all are is moving in I cap direction. So all are moving in I cap direction, and it is also given that magnitude of speed is basically c by 2. So we have v1. So this is also given. v1 is equal to v2 is equal to v3 is equal to c by 2. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the velocity of a particle with respect to f0. So we have to calculate velocity of a particle with respect to naught. So how we will approach it? So first what we will do? First we will calculate velocity of 2 with respect to f0. So when we will calculate velocity of 2 with respect to 0, that means we have to write velocity of 2 with respect to 1 plus velocity of 1 with respect to 0, 1 plus velocity of 2 with respect to 1, velocity of 1 with respect to 0 by c square. So when we will calculate it, then this value will be come to c by 2 plus c by 2 and by 1 plus c by 2, c by 2, 1 by c square. Then this value is equal to, I think that value is 4 upon 5c. So first thing we have calculated. Now the problem will change something like this. So here we have f0, and f0 is rest, and f1 has not any significant now, and f2 is moving with respect to f1 is v20. That value is equal to 4 by 5c. And yes, particle is moving with respect to 2. So velocity of particle with respect to 2 is equal to c by 2c in I cap direction. Now the problem is reduced something like this. So we have to calculate velocity of particle with respect to 0 is nothing but velocity of particle with respect to 2 plus velocity of 2 with respect to 0, 1 plus velocity of particle with respect to 2 into velocity of 2 with respect to 0 by c square. So you can just check it. So this will be your expression. And now we can put it all this value. So velocity of particle with respect to 2 is c by 2. And this value is equal to c by 4. And we have 1 upon c by 2, c by 4 into 1 upon c square. So this will cancel, and sorry, this will be 4. Sorry, this will be 4 upon 5c, not c by 2. This is 4 upon 5c. This is also 4 upon 5c. Sorry. So we will just write 4 upon 5c here. So this value, if we will calculate this value, then this value is 10 here, and 5 plus 8 is there, and here you can have basically 14 upon 10 into c. So this value is calculated as the velocity of a particle with respect to O is basically, we have 13 upon 14 c, and that is approximately 0.9 0.93 C. So the F value is equal to 0.93. So this will be answer. So yes, the catch is simple. First, you have to calculate velocity of second with respect to z naught or naught, and then we have to again go for three frame. So obviously, we always learned like something like s dash, and particle. So in first problem, we can assume we have to calculate this with respect to this, and after then we have calculated this with respect to this second part. In second part, its role is not there, and we can easily solve it. So it's a very fundamental question, very nice problem, and you have to just practice this one. And yes, you have to just calculate velocity of second with respect to this is 4 upon 5c. So if the calculation is correct, then this value is basically answer. Thank you.